This 2012 Forest River Crusader 320RLT is a fifth-wheel RV. It is located in Albuquerque, New Mexico 87123 and is offered for sale by Good Sense RV and Motors. This used Forest River is 36 feet 0 inches in length and features 3 slideouts, a wide interior, sleeps 4, slideout, and 60 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this fifth wheel features front bedroom, rear living area. For more information and pricing on this unit, and to see all units available for sale by Good Sense RV and Motors, visit RVUSA.com.